guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye. Hello my people, I greet the full house. This is Untouchable Mama. Now do what una tell the help me tell the watch, share, God will bless una, even like. My people, wonder shall never end. Una see this video wey dey, I go put am for una more na watch, more na see wetin happen to this woman. This woman na best people wey dey carry goods go Nigeria, wey still dey carry come back. Now know all this our people wey dey carry any Africa food that they carry dey come, they will see they carry something still they go back. This woman say when she reach when she dey Naija, na a person call am say dem wan bring things come give am make she carry come. Na no say na her business problem, no dey carry come. He said when they bring the salt, he said they say garri and crayfish and other things. He said when they bring her come, now she come open one of the crayfish. When she open the big one, that one dey okay. Now when she come open the other small crayfish, you can see say it be like say stone dey for inside the small crayfish. Say come dey touch am well, come dey see say make she kukuma open am. Make she see wetin dey for inside the crayfish. When she come open her hand, now she come see wetin she not supposed to see for inside though. Now wow my people, now wow more na see wetin dey inside this crayfish wey dem carry go. They can't do am like human hair. They can't use crayfish to cover all this thing wey dem put for inside, so that person no go know. When you just see and you just think say na crayfish na full am. Be careful of what you dey carry dey come if they give you something. Like this woman now, like say she no open am, say make she see wetin dey for inside. If you go call this, when you go dey carry the goods dey come now, they go block am for airport. She go come answer the query. Una know say before you go come talk say, and na Italy na the woman dey. Before you come talk say iyo no so, iyo lo so, iyo no so, no say no na me yan cozy. You go first dey inside, because now that one na be there. Let me there, or they'll carry you put for inside. Before they'll go, they see whether they even see the person where you get the load. The person go cook my off before you go say no know the woman. May I put the video more na watch and more na share for all that. May they tell learn. May they tell anybody will give you something. Who don't say na your brother self. Open up for grant. First see what day for inside before you package jam. Because now you now make some of our people where they carry load they come. If you carry anything, go give them for office. They will make sure say they from where you take from their office for them. You go there, then they go open a one by one. See what there for inside. They go sellotape am by their self. Now so some of them come they do. They not they agree. Make they carry load. Come they sellotape am from house carry come. If you carry and come say you don't sellotape am, they go open am for your presence. See what there inside. Two of them go see am. They go see close am again. Carry. Come here, not be small thing. More than watch the video.
My brothers and sisters, una good morning. See wetin person carry come for me, because me I dey carry load dey go Nigeria, dey carry come back to Italy. Person call me say won't carry load go give his sister. That's okay. Carry the load come. I ask her wetin dey inside. He said na crayfish, beans, garri, and some other food items. I collect the load for her. Reach inside house now, so I want to come out. I say, ma, check the load. I check other ones finish. And I say, ma, open the crayfish. See the big crayfish when I carry come. And this one be the crayfish. They come do this one inside. Use the other crayfish take cover. As I first put hand, na crayfish my hand. They should now carry knife. Say make I take open center. The knife they touch something when be like stone inside. I carry the thing come out. As I open now, when I see what I see inside though, Wanna see wetin dem carry give me, make I carry dey go abroad. Wetin I no know one, no two, my enemy go go enter jail. Or the person go come dey use me take dey make money. If God protect me pass, if God no come stand for me, my enemy go jail. If I dey call the person, he no go carry phone again, or he go say no be him give me. Wanna see wetin dem give me. The only thing when I wan talk, any man, any woman, when they plan evil against his mate, if na me first plan evil against the person, the evil will come before me. If I not plan evil for anybody, any man, any woman, when they plan evil for me, they find my downfall. Now he go use the head to carry the evil. Amen. And then wanna help me share this video.
Una see my people, be careful of wetin you dey carry dey come o. No matter you go say you like that person, you know that person, the person no fit do anything, something like that. Hey, trust nobody for real. Una be careful. Help me to share this video for others to learn. Anything wey dem carry give you for Naija, open now before you carry pass airport o, because once you don reach there, na only you na go answer for yourself o. Before you come say na person give me, na the other one, na that one. You don dey inside o. Na the truth of the matter. Una bye bye. God bless you for helping me to share, comment. God go bless una. I appreciate una well. Now thank you.
My brothers and sisters, una good morning o. See wetin person carry come for me, because me I dey carry load dey go Nigeria, dey carry come back to Italy. Person call me say he wan carry load go give his sister. Na I say okay, carry the load come. I ask am wetin dey inside. He say na crayfish, beans, garri and some other food items. I collect the load for am. Reach inside house now, as I want comot, I come say ma check the load. I check other ones finish. Then I say ma open the crayfish. See the big crayfish wey I carry come. And this one be the crayfish. They come do this one inside. Use the other crayfish take cover. As I first put hand, na crayfish my hand dey chook. Now I carry knife say make I take open center. The knife dey touch something wey be like stone inside. I carry the thing come out. As I open now, wanna see wetin I see inside though. Wanna see wetin they carry give me, make I carry dey go abroad. Wetin I no know one, no two, my enemy will go enter jail. Or the person go come dey use me take dey make money. If God protect me pass, if God no come stand for me, my enemy go jail. If I dey call the person, he no go carry phone again, or he go say no be him give me. Wanna see wetin dem give me. The only thing when I wan talk, any man, any woman, when they plan evil against his mate, if na me first plan evil against the person, the evil will come before me. If I not plan evil for anybody, any man, any woman, when they plan evil for me, they find my downfall. Now he go use the head to carry the evil. Amen. Abeg, una help me share this video.